Hey, I'm David Buschur from Buschur Racing. What we have here is Emery from STMs Evo engine. I built this engine 2 years ago. He ran it in 2010 for the full year. He sent it back. We freshened it up with just bearings and rings, nothing else. Put it back together. Emery ran it again this year, and this engine has gone 8s, probably more times than any other Evo that's gone 8s. We're going to tear it apart and see how it is. I may be in for a big surprise, but I don't think so. He sent it in just to freshen it up again. So let's get this over with. Well, it isn't going to get any better than that. That's 1 and 4. There's 2. There's 3. One. 2. 3. This car's gone a best of 870 something at 167 miles an hour on a T3 style turbo. Like I said, that's this full season on those bearings. That's over 10,000 RPM out of that motor. Ooh, we do have a tore up one in the center. It looks like something must have got in there. Obviously, from the looks of all of the rest of them, something got into that center bearing. Take a look at the thrust, Jared. Thrust is in real good shape. Both sides. Reach down there and smack that off. Never mind. Well, the bottom of that bearing's in nice shape. The rest of these are good too. I would say that something got in there at some point. Either way, this motor came in running, still running 8s. Last time he had it out, I think it ran some low 9s. I think it's held up pretty damn good. A lot of this credit can go to Emery. Obviously the tune on this was exceptional. There's no signs of any detonation. It's barely taken the skirt coating off. I just knocked that off with my finger. Very nice. Nice job, Emery, on the tune. Pleasure working with you. There's your motor.